Hi, I'm Ivan Zoot. I am Clipper Guy, and this is the new Clipper Guy Classic Barber Blender. Two big things we do with blending shears. Not a trick question. What do? We blend and we reduce bulk. Let's examine in this video the blending function. Anytime you pick up a blending scissors, pick up a wide tooth comb. The Zoot comb was specifically designed with wide teeth for use with blending scissors. It's got many other features for all our other cutting tools, but the wide teeth are what we call upon for proper use with a blending scissors. When we're blending hair with a blending scissors, I hold the comb up between his head and my head, and the comb has two sides. We're going to call this side of the comb my side, and this side of the comb is his side. Blending is done on my side of the comb. I'm going to elevate sections of hair. I'm going to look for anything sticking out. High points, steps, ledges, ridges, jumps, and bumps. Using the wide teeth of the comb to rake through the hair, working on my side of the comb. Hold the comb at an angle. If you work horizontally, you're going to put steps, lines, marks, or demarcations in your taper when what we're trying to do is blend the marks away. Come in at an angle, work at an angle using the wide teeth of the comb, using your thumb and forefinger on the wide edge of the comb for manipulation. Notice how I roll the comb till the top of the tips of the teeth are tipped out towards me to do beautiful blending work with the Clipper Guy Classic Barber Blender. Get yours today at clipperguy.com, and I'm throwing in a Zoot comb as a free gift additionally.